This what happened to me last June 26, 2024, and we're heading to Lumban, Laguna to attend ay Binyag. Binyag, yes. And from here, pumunta muna kami sa Santa Cruz. Galing kaming Calamba and then Santa Cruz, then going to Lumban, Laguna. At ito, papunta na ako sa second event of the day ko. Wow, feeling era naman. Papunta ako sa SM Mall of Asia for the So Much Pride event of SM Beauty. And lagi ako nagta-tricycle going to SMO kasi mas madali. And I am here at the event. I actually met the House of Revlon, Nunoy Revlon, Precious Paula Nicole, Matilda, of course. Nandiyan din si Sir Baus Rufo, Taylor Swift. Ayan siya, si Gorgeous Dawn. And of course, na-witness ko rin yung birthday song, birthday celebration, birthday surprise kay Mama Precious. Because nagpa-picture ako sa kanya sa Nivea booth. And then, nandyan din si ako na rumampaw with Maybelline na hindi mo kinaya, nag-death drop siya, ate girl. And shout out to Francesca Lagua, si Miss Cheska Lagua of Asia's Next Top Model Cycle 3. I'm such a fan, like super duper fan of her. Like pasabog. Ayan, death drop ulit si Bading and requested ni Sir Nunoy Revlon. And tinanong ako, nagbobol ako. Sabi ko, yes. Kahit hindi naman. But yeah, let's go bakla! Wala, hindi ko pala to. Okay. Sige, laban lang. Oh, ayan, there you go. And some pictures lang with the Maybelline team. Thank you, Miss Ira, for choosing me. Anyways, thank you so much, Maybelline. And then I also met and see Janyo in person. Ang tangkad niya, maybe because nakaboot siya, but ang ganda ng makeup niya, super plakado. Nandiyan din si MC Black of Drag Race. Charot, Drag Den, Season 1. Of course, the face of SM Beauty na Iya Black. And she is doing the Salamin Salamin by Beanie. And grabe yung hype talaga with the song and then with her performance. Super love. And then picture-picture na ng mga, ano ba to? Basta mga ano. Ayan, di ba? Namit ko sila. And lastly, Mama Precious na super bait. Nakadalawang beses ako magpa-picture sa kanya. And I think that's it for this event. Now, time for me to go home. Nagpunta muna ako sa Coco para bumili ng milk tea. I super love my makeup that night. Yeah, and ayan, heading na ako home and Jollibee. Bye!